are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, security system, trip computer, compass, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.